All right, Fuss Pie Guy here. We're going to do a simple what's inside the CyberPower 750 VA. This doesn't work anymore, and I just wanted to see what was inside. So I went ahead, took the battery out, and disconnected everything from the screws, and so we could pop this off to save some time. But as you can see, right here goes the 12-volt battery, which can be simply replaced. Just take the 4 screws off and access the battery. But here's the circuit board, the main brain. So, like I said, I already had the screws out. So we're just going to be cutting some wires here. No longer needed. If you don't have a pair of these are nice little hobby type wire cutters. So here's that. Not much to it. So we'll throw that to the side. See if I can move this down a little bit. Here is the circuit board. And that's that. And if we flip it over, we have this side. This is the switch. The switches for the top cover. We have 2 fuses here, which are still good. I checked them. We'll just go around here a little bit. Like I said, I'm not going to just doing a simple what's inside, but as you can see, well, that's pretty much it. Ain't much to it. Got your USB hook up there. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for another one.